Hey everyone, this is not at all the video I thought I was going to be making today. So I was doing an unboxing video for the newest collection from Flower Knows. You can probably already see it right here. So one of my viewers was kind enough to let me know maybe like a week or two ago that some people were getting their orders of the all-in gift box and they were coming like completely destroyed. I was hoping it was just like a fluke with a few cases and, you know, maybe it wasn't like a super widespread problem. My order came yesterday and today I was going to film my collection review and unboxing and first impressions and all that good stuff. And so I was getting ready to film this morning and I opened up my box and it has come absolutely destroyed as well. I will put in clips of me opening it up on camera and getting my reaction. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, you guys. Oh, I heard this was happening to some people's, but this is bad. Oh no. Oh no. I've never had anything like this happen before. Oh my god. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, look over here. Oh my god. This isn't even fixable. This isn't even fixable. I thought like, you know, maybe, you know, I'll just need to like screw something back in. Oh no! My heart is broken. It came in 3 pieces, you guys. This is the front. Here's the roof. And there's the box. Okay, well, I guess time to go talk to customer service. Damn it, man. Damn it. But yeah, I'm so bummed. I'm so bummed right now. So looks like I need to contact customer service and see what we can do about this. I was initially, when I was opening up the box, I could tell something was wrong as soon as I got the styrofoam covers off of here. And I was like, well, maybe it's like a screw came loose. It wasn't just a screw came loose, you guys. So here's the front of the box. The hinges, like all the screws came out of the hinges here. So, I'm not even sure where those screws are. I think I got one screw here and I've got one here. So I've got 2 of the 6 screws. I'll set those aside and we'll deal with that later. Yeah, and I don't know if you can tell, but the roof's right here. There's a few more screws kind of just hanging out. I guess I'll set those aside too. Yeah, and so all the screws from the hinges are missing. I'll just set those aside. So here's the roof. And I'll just have to do an up close of the back of the box here. I haven't even completely taken this plastic wrap off yet. Here's the little shelf thing that usually slot in there. And my hair barrette, yay, got that. There's like, oh, there's a few more screws. Maybe I can find all the screws. Here's a totally broken off wooden dowel piece. Let's see if we can, found another screw. So I don't know if you can see in that top edge there, it's like completely destroyed. I think it's kind of beyond repair at this point. Let's see if we can take this off. Oh, found another screw. Found one. So yeah, that was really kind of heartbreaking. Spending all this money on this. So hopefully, I think I'm gonna contact customer service and see what they can do for me, because that's a really bummer. That's a bummer. Yeah. If you let me get my phone out, some up close, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, all the wood here is pretty much not repairable. It's like cracked. It's like completely broken. Up here as well. Like, I'm a crafty girl. I can kind of put things back together, you know. This one I think is beyond me. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So I think I need to go contact customer service and see what's going on. And maybe if I got the energy, I'll come back and do the whole collection review at this point. I'm really bummed though. I'm not gonna lie. I, like, in the grand scheme of life, like, is this the biggest thing? No, it's not. But when you pay like $700 or something and it comes broken, it is really frustrating. So hopefully customer service will help me out. We'll go see what we can get done. But yeah, so mine did come broken, as I've heard other people's have, so that's really unfortunate, but hopefully customer service will make it right, and I'll put any updates or anything that I have in the comments if anything should come up. But I will be back maybe in a few days or so for my collection review and my perfume review, and I guess I'll still try to do what I can with the review for the actual makeup box, but we'll see. That is still to be determined. So thank you guys for checking out this quick little video. It's not always the funnest, but it is realistic in what happened to my order, which sucks, but I'm sure they'll take care of it and get me all fixed up. So, but with that being said, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.